We are here with another tech device. I know a lot of people are moving away from CDs, but every once in a while you will have to basically deal with one, whether it be your memories from prior things placed on CDs with time that it was very, or DVDs in the time when it was very prevalent to use them, or just as a way of data transferring from one place to another with backups. They're still here for a bit, at least with anyone that's had a computer for more than 5-10 years. So this is actually the FOESUNIT External DVD Drive. Let's open it up. I'll show you how it's a little different than a regular drive. It's got a couple very interesting features to this thing. So right out the gate, let's take this film off here. You can see it's got kind of an interesting tic-tac-toe style design to the actual top, which is kind of interesting and nice. Here is the hidden cord underneath, and the hidden cord has two cool features. One, you've got your USB, and then in case you have a newer device, it has USB-C. So you're not going to have to worry about not having access on your newer computers with that. And then on top of the actual disk drive here, there are multiple additional ports on this unit to allow you to be able to access things like USB here, there's a USB-C here, USB, SD card, micro SD card reader. These are really nice because they're giving you the ability to use the space you're losing on your computer to still access additional media. Very, very nice. On top of being able to read and watch DVDs, you also have the ability to burn them, which is also very nice and very helpful for the system. But it's pretty simple and straightforward. Let's plug this into the computer though and see what it looks like, how it works, and we'll be back. So I just want to show something out real quick. It does have the USB-C that I put out here is not exactly your regular USB-C. It's specifically designed for DC power. If your computer is not producing enough juice for this device, you can plug this into a USB block, and that will give it the extra power needed for all the other USB devices on here. That's definitely helpful if you are using this kind of as a hub and a burner. So keep that in mind if you need to use all those additional plugs. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe.